First, right-click on background and select Convert to Smart Object. Take a copy of background, then choose Object Selection Tools. Select your object. Click on Add Layer Mask. Select your image, press Ctrl A, then Ctrl C. In Main Layer, press Ctrl V, then Ctrl T to set your image. Then right-click and select Convert to Smart Object. Click on Create Clipping Mask. Choose Multiply. With holding Ctrl and Alt, take a copy of layer, then drag the new layer above. Choose Overlay. Decrease the opacity and fill. Choose Image and click on Blending Options. Follow these settings. I hope you enjoyed this video.